Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the publish to web option available in the Power BI service. So let's say you've got a report in the Power BI service and you want to publish it to the web. How do you go about getting the links for that? So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here and I'm on my workspace Learn to Excel. So I click on that and then I click on my report. And the report opens here for me. So I'll go on to these three ellipses or more options, and then on here I click go to embed and I go to publish to web. So I click on that option and Power BI gives me a pop-up which says get a link or embed code that you can include on a public website. You may use the publish to web functionality to share content on a publicly available website. You may not use this functionality to share content internally, including through email, your internal network, or intranet site. Publish a live version that will remain synchronized with the source report in Power BI. So essentially, if you make any changes to your source report, they will get reflected via this link. Any changes you make to the report will immediately be reflected in the published public version. So yeah, and then you click on create embed report and it says you are about to create an embed code for this report. Once published, anyone on the internet will be able to access the report and the data it contains, and Microsoft may display the report on a public website or a public gallery. So essentially they're just trying to make sure and telling you that hey, once this report becomes publicly available or you create this code and publish it, anyone on the internet would be able to see the data and the report. So if it is something which you don't want to share, make sure you don't do this. So in this case, we'll just click on the publish link and you can see it is giving me a URL and it is giving me a frame. So this frame you can also embed into your WordPress blog. So we'll take this in another video, but for now I'll just copy this link and I'll click on the new incognito mode window, and I'll just go here and do a Control V. And when I hit enter, so you can already see that it is opening that report for me, and I can open it in any browser without logging into the Power BI service. So you can embed this link into any site and you can use that to publish the report. So in this video, we've essentially, to recap, we've learned how to generate the links to share a report onto the internet. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.